Go.
Sonia lives with her father, mother, and her little sister Olga in Moscow. On weekends, they go to their dacha. On weekends, they get out of the city and spend time in nature. At the dacha, her family grows vegetables like potatoes and tomatoes. She talks and sings to the vegetables. On sunny days, Sonia, Olga, and their friend Anton go into the forest. In the evening, Sonia's father cooks dinner. He can cook shashlik very well. This weekend, her family will plant potatoes. To plant potatoes, cut the potatoes into pieces. Next, plant the pieces deep in the ground. Next, cover them with soil. Next, add about 10 centimeters of soil on top. Let's water well.
Okay.